Here's another option for easy access to the roof of the car that would be perfect for off-road adventurers and camping enthusiasts. A simple but efficient solution for quickly unloading or just relaxing on the roof: a removable ladder that's installed on the spare tire. The ladder weighs only about 7 pounds and is suitable for 24 to 35-inch wheels. They're mounted with a ratchet strap, so no tools are required. The frame and 2 steps are made of steel and have non-skid pads. The ladder costs $179. Have you heard the phrase, "All that is mine I carry with me"? Well, this range of ETTCOR folding trailers has made it a reality thanks to the ingenuity of its creators. The trailers make it possible to set up a conference room, a store, a mini museum, a workshop, an office, or any other space depending on the customer's needs. Once unfolded, the standard version measures about 16 feet wide and weighs about 3,500 pounds. The design is intended for year-round use, and a truck version is available. And when used as a garage, you don't even need to take the vehicle out to fold it or unfold it. A sad statistic: manual handling causes over a third of all workplace injuries. In many industries, such as goods transport, the SwingLift range of ultralight electric cranes can help save workers from overloads. In this sector, there are different versions for vans, pickup trucks, and even trailers, with a maximum payload of 1,102 pounds and a total model's weight of only 95 pounds. In addition, all mechanisms are compact and don't take up much space. For convenience, there's a remote control and the possibility to rotate the crane and adjust the reach of the boom. This reduces the risk of damaging the load or nearby vehicles in case of parking problems. A place to sleep and rest in the back of a pickup truck? No problem, say the makers of this system. It's versatile, mounts on a 5 to 8 foot body, and, combined with the optional Weekender camper package, offers a bunk bed, a TV, lighting, and a fan. The designers took an inventive approach. The tailgate is cleverly utilized for extra room, and when the system is folded, there's enough space to carry luggage. Powered by an electric motor, the components are of such high quality that the manufacturer is confident that it will last a lifetime. Other modifications are also available, for example, to carry a quad bike. An interesting solution for evacuation services has been developed in Germany, combining simplicity and mobility. You may have seen it before because the Protec TM system has been in production for more than 20 years. The model can be mounted on any SUV or light truck from 6,000 to 16,500 pounds and is equipped with a remote control. The load capacity of the current version is about 5,000 pounds. The tailgate is still fully usable. Interestingly, the TM23 model can be mounted on the front. One of the model versions can turn an SUV into a snowplow. Other equipment is available, so your upgraded truck will be of great use in any season. If you have a pickup truck and frequently need to carry heavy items, this tailgate modification may be just what you need. Depending on the version, it can hold up to 1,500 pounds, allowing you to perform tasks that previously would have required at least 2 people. The modification adds very little to the overall dimensions of the vehicle and is low maintenance, thanks to its fully enclosed hydraulic system and lubrication-free bearings. To prevent unauthorized use, the remote control is automatically deactivated 90 seconds after the last operation. The manufacturer also offers versions for vans and various service vehicles. After a hard day's work, it's time to relax. You can set up a nice picnic area next to your car in just 5 minutes, thanks to this awning. It covers about 151 square feet of space, providing comfort even on hot summer days. It weighs 60 pounds and measures just over 6.5 feet long. It's stored in a PVC cover and attaches to the roof or roof rack. It's height adjustable and comes with nylon guy wires and metal spikes. In case of bad weather, the awning is water repellent and additionally protected by polyurethane spray. The 3.3-foot LED strip, powered from the car's cigarette lighter, will add color to your picnic as well. The price is $916. Finnish experts have come up with an innovative idea to equip any car with a high-pressure washer, making street cleaning faster and more efficient without the need for special machinery. The washer offers several washing options, including cold and hot water with a maximum heating temperature of 284 degrees Fahrenheit, which can be used for weed control. The tank can hold up to 264 gallons of water, and the washer can produce up to 15 gallons per minute. The largest version weighs 1,036 pounds, while the lightest weighs 232 pounds. The system also comes with a 98-foot hose, which is handy for removing graffiti. The Tow-Go system is a curious solution for towing trucks. The design is extremely simple and can be attached to the tractor's fifth wheel by a single person in about 15 minutes. Once secured, the rear of the truck lifts up, making it much easier to prepare for transport and allowing the truck to be towed like a normal trailer. It's also suitable for virtually all tractors from 4x2 to 8x4, thanks to its simple design. The manufacturer claims that this system saves money and time because there's no need to call a special tow truck. And as an option, you can order a lighting system and a special brake kit. The roof of cars, especially if they're high, is often not used at all. The TopSystem roof rack provides additional space for transporting loads. It's similar to a regular roof rack, but it has a number of interesting details. First of all, it is modular and can be configured to suit the customer's wishes and the possibilities of the vehicle. For example, an aluminum support tube, lighting equipment, and a special 8.2 or 9.8-foot long ladder carrier are available. Secondly, the ProSafe system makes even bulky loads easy to secure. And third, the roof rack has been successfully crash tested and is so sturdy that the manufacturer has promised that it will outlast your current car and can be mounted on your next one. The designers of the Green tracks offer improved traction and false transmission when working on uneven surfaces. For those in doubt, here are some numbers. When using the tracks, tire life is increased by 60% and nominal ground pressure is reduced by 30 to 50%. It also consumes less fuel, is more stable, and easily drives on rocky terrain. The main material is boron steel. Thanks to different track variants, you can even use them with trailers. In addition, the manufacturer highlights an unusual advantage, the lower impact of tracked vehicles on the ground, which is especially important when working in forests.